Have you ever wished you could fly, fight at superhuman speed and strength, make the world around you bend to your will, and even stop bullets? This is what the movie The Matrix offers us, a virtual world where almost anything is possible. This is much different from the technological and precise virtual world we have developed so far.
Today, virtual reality is used in video gaming, flight simulators for pilots at NASA or the Air Force, in medicine to treat patients and study organs, in architecture to simulate the look and design of different structures, and in forecasting weather patterns. But these types of VR are nowhere close to the scope of the virtual reality portrayed in The Matrix. The main difference between these fields and The Matrix is that there is no uplink to the computer system, and so you are never a part of that system, and therefore the system has no control over you and your mind cannot make it completely real. Also, humans are always able to manipulate and control the virtual technology they are using at a given time, and we have yet to develop a mainstream virtual world where we ourselves can enter and interact with other people.
In flight simulators and other training simulators, mainly used by the armed forces, pilots and soldiers go through what a computer program predicts what a war zone will be like, based on precise mathematical equations. But the simulators are safe, and there is no or very limited chance of injury. Like in this video of soldiers preparing for Afghanistan using a helicopter simulator. VR is also used in modern medicine. It is used in a program called Virtual Anatomy, where doctors can look at different parts of the body, in this case the brain, and study the body parts to help better understand and diagnose illnesses. It is also used in an experimental treatment program for soldiers coming back from Iraq and Iran with post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. It helps the soldiers relive their experiences and make them easier to cope with.
VR is also being applied to the world of architecture. Architects are using virtual reality as a graphing tool to show the design of a building in the development stages so that their clients can get the exact size and shape of the building they want. This helps cut down on planning, costs, and time. Virtual reality has also contributed to the predictions of weather forecasts. Most news networks have green screens that can show a range of weather maps that can be manipulated to show the forecasts of different areas and the predictions of meteorologists for that week. Gaming in an alternate virtual world is also a large application for VR. Today there is still a lot of work to go on the technological side of virtual reality gaming, but when the Nintendo Wii was released, it gave gamers a glimpse into what they could expect from a VR game. Virtual reality gaming, such as Microsoft's Project Natal, will use biosensors and motion capture cameras to run the majority of their programs. These sensors check and log nerve and muscle movements, as well as movements of the whole body, and then apply them to the avatar the player is using in the game. It's like using a Nintendo Wii controller, but your body is the controller. The equipment being used will most likely be a helmet of some sort that will project the visual world you are playing in front of your eyes.
As you can see, virtual reality is becoming an important part of our ever-growing technological world, and someday it may rival the Matrix in features and abilities. But for now, it is only a tool used for humans, and we control it, not the other way around.